This week on Jeep Adventures, we joined the guys at JStar Automotive Group to do a beginner run up in Big Bear, California. We had a bunch of trails including White Mountain, John Bull, and a few others. So please sit back, enjoy, follow along.
Little John Bull, which is not a problem. He took wife's stock Rubicon through it, so we're good. All right, other than that, everybody's aired down, right? The only thing I say is, remember while we're going, keep the Jeep behind you in your sight, please, so we don't lose anybody. The radios do work good. The only other thing I want to do is, this is Jason right here. I don't know if anybody's met him. He is in charge, so if you guys ever need anything, they're still doing custom-built vehicles. They're still doing the work at the dealership, and that's about it. You guys want to go have fun? And I hope you guys...
You don't have to ask me twice.
Well, the safety meeting's done. Everyone knows what we're doing today. Let's get rolling. We're going to slalom through the trail. First trail we're going to take us 3 and 14, then over to 3 and 16, then up to White Mountain. So we're going to head that way. Enjoy the video. Well, we made it to one of the peaks on White Mountain. This was a good spot to stop. I like stopping here because you can see Lucerne Valley, you can see Johnson Valley. Plus, if you turn around, you can see Summit and all the other ski slopes on the side of the mountain. Usually a very pretty place to stop. We're going to keep moving. Stay tuned. Well, it wasn't very far down the trail. We made it to one of the hard hills. Some of the guys wanted to give a shot, so let's watch. Everyone looked like they were having so much fun. I decided to jump in the Jeep with one of the guys, record it. So now we're heading up the hill. Here we go. So just keep going straight. Once we get down to this sort of flat spot, I'm gonna jump out and look at something. Good job. Right there. Good job. Perfect. Perfect. Right on the line. Well, after safely doing the hard line, we're going to keep going. From here, we're going to head down 3 and 16 and head over to the squeeze. Plan is to do lunch on the squeeze trail, and hopefully, if we're lucky, at the squeeze. Now we're moving. Here we go.
Not yet. All right, crank it. Hard right, hard right. Slow. Turn. All right. Go forward. Nice and slow.
We decided to stop and have lunch at Coyote Crag, which is right off the squeeze trail, and it's right at the squeeze. It's a very pretty spot, very beautiful, great scenery, and you get to watch people climbing up the trail. After lunch, we decided to head over to Little John Bull because we had the extra time. We want to hit a slightly harder trail, and the group seemed to really like it. Stay tuned and see how the stock Jeeps do.
What? Lockers? We're not using lockers today. Driver! There you go. Keep going. Faster. Slow. Slow. Oh.
Straighten it out, driver, driver. You get people up here.
Oh. No, Buffett, don't worry.
I'm waiting on people to get up here. Driver. Driver. Keep coming.
Turn, driver. Turn and go forward. He'll come. There it goes. Shift the weight. Good job. Come on.
You got it. You got it.
Straight now.
Straight it out.
Perfect. Straight, straight.
Driver. Okay, straighten it up.
It's a long day.
Keep coming.
Straight
Start
at 3
going.
and 16 if you want to take the dirt roads out. A nice drive.
Nice and steady. Okay, hold up, hold up, hold up. There you go. Driver, keep coming. Keep coming. Nice and slow, nice and steady. Come on. There you go.
Good
You got
job.
it. You got it.
Get better than I did. Perfect. Straight at me.
Downhill assist down.
Good. So you want to go on the left side as you get down there, okay? Get better than I did. Okay, look at your slider. So you can actually get it. We're done with 4 low.
Well, we all made it off the trail safely. It was a good day. No one did any body damage, no major scratches, nothing bad. Jason did touch his rock slider, but only on the bottom. Overall, can't wait to go back. JStar did take care of us. It was a great lunch. We're going to hit 3 and 16, stop at Baldwin Mine really quick, enjoy a couple photos. And that's going to wrap up our trip today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Make sure you comment below. And if you want to watch more videos like this, click on the 2 videos at the top of the screen. Thank you again for watching.